OMG, what do she have on? Is she ratchet? Her legs front is all wrong. I'm gonna take this type of picture. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, look a baby boy. She came with a sister. Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoe, where's I had to get cute today. I've got on jeans for boots today. I had to keep it looking because baby just a little bit. Little kid his shoe today. Next, you new shoes today. Child food picture too today. Got good dress yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Don't be fit up. Move, trim, it's the fit. He knocked out my food stamps. Brand new piercing, brand new pants. $195 for this week plus tax. Box bending over and smack song. No real hair, just can't along. Thinking that you better than I am, what would you think? Can't lie, my number, boy bye. What's wrong with you? Be quiet. Hey girl. Come around, look you. Oh, okay. I'll see you later. OMG, what did she have? Oh, Richard! Today's something is all wrong. Look at these type of pictures. I'll put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with the shoes on. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. Wait, let's email well, but my girlfriends call me Carly. The club is free, but it's only 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest bitch who had this boo-boo song. Because 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey dress on. Jordan his friends, my press on. T. Jackson, we ain't like them red balls. Love picking up pictures. New MV got glitter. Hit me on my Facebook and follow me on Twitter. The pink flip phone. Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. I'm team bad chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he paying. I mean, he might as well spend it on me because you ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. What are you gonna do? What you do? Please. Please. OMG, what does she have? Oh, her leg front is all wrong. Oh, I'm gonna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. And I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with the shoes on. Oh, I wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.